Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm showing you guys my MP40 PH locomotive number 624, and this is a HO scale Go Transit model. This MP40 locomotive is pulling a 6 cars of train with 5 Metrolinx coaches and 1 old coaches, and here is the Lego, and here is the number, and now I will show you how this train will. Now I will just run this train, guys. So there we go, it's pulling a 6 cars of train. So it's running very nicely, and you can see it's pulling a 6 cars of train. Now I'll just raise this up so you can see better. Yep, and there's the MP40 locomotive 624 running on my layout. And now I just stopped it, so this is just, let's say this is a door, and we just say, please stand clear of doors, now closing doors are closed, trains depart. So once again, trains are moving, and it's actually running very good. Now I could say that the MP40 is good. It's actually pretty running very nice, and we could see the lights keep going. That's very cool. Now I will just try to move from the another lane, and that's why it depends like how the train and we could do better. Oh, sorry, the train. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so once, sorry, the train that decoupled, so we're gonna do this again, so there we go. Oh, sorry. So there we go, it's running very nicely. Now, I'm just want you to know, guys, that whenever I ride the GO train to get off Oriole GO station, even though there's no formal connection between the two, Oriole GO station is actually the smallest train station on the Richmond Hill line. But I have seen some image that in the future there will be, they will do construction to move Oriole GO station to connect with the TTC Leslie subway station. For that reason, so the TTC Leslie station can connect with the Oriole GO station. So I'm just letting you know this at some point there will be construction at Oriole GO station, and that way they will connect with the TTC Leslie station. So there will be former connection between GO station and TTC. So it's just like it's similar to like Downsview Park GO station as well. And so that's why Downsview Park it has much better connection. So Oriole GO station will do the same ways as Downsview Park before. Now I just want to say like thank you for guys watching this video, and we'll see you at the next. And I don't see I will not film this until next October. because I will not be here. I'm going on vacation. So thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video.